So what we're doing is we're going on this thing called pixilart.com slash whatever. And I'm here with my friend Frisk. I don't know her name. I don't know her real name, so we just call her Frisk. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah, you might know her. She's part of another YouTube gang, so.
Little Z.
Yep.
Out. It's up to Little Z play.
I would like to. What am I gonna say? Okay. I would like to thank the Double Clicks for giving me this shirt. Love problems. I don't know why. Okay. I just signed up, so. And they featured my old username, Laurelbean, in the video. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're doing a drawing contest. We're doing a drawing contest.
We're trying to see who can draw Char and Frisk the best, and you guys get to vote who did the best.
Okay, so you leave a like if you think mine is better, and you leave a dislike if you think hers is better.
Or just comment down below.
Yeah, just whatever.
For Lure and F for me. Just do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So type L for me and F for her. Okay, or just do like and dislike. I don't care. Oh, and I don't care if you I don't care if you subscribe, by the way. So I don't care.
Subscribe.
I still want you to subscribe. Okay. So
Okay, let's start.
my brother might come in here. My brother might come in here and wonder what I'm doing. So I'm just going. If he does, I'm going to force him to say subscribe.
Okay.
To your girl, Laurel. Okay. Okay.
Let's start. And also.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start drawing. Okay. I'm using the circle tool, I know. Okay.
I'd like to.
So we're drawing Kara and Frisk.
Yeah.
I wish I could time us, but I can't right now.
Let's just keep it like where it's just, just.
Wait, undo that.
This doesn't.
No,
I need to
undo.
fix this thing.
I don't know how to draw hands, okay? Don't judge me.
You don't have to draw hands. You can just draw.
I can just draw little bumps on their arms.
That doesn't look great.
I don't care. I'm gonna win this.
No, I mean, I'm saying my drawing doesn't look great. That doesn't look good either.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm drawing the hands now for my baby Kara. Okay.
At the end, you have to show them what mine looks like.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, good. I don't want you.
How do you skin colors? Okay. I'm bad at skin colors. Okay, don't judge me. Don't judge me for my skin colors. Okay. I know how to
do skin.
Oh gosh, I forgot to select color, and I made his hands black.
Okay.
I'm not being racist here. Don't judge me.
No, I know.
I know.
I know you're not. And I'm
Just
not laughing because of that.
Okay.
When I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me?
And when your father turns into a baby and goes poo poo, please return to me. I'm sorry, it's just what I do.
Okay.
Okay, don't do that. What even is that song anyway? It's cool.
House of Gold. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me?
Cool. Do you have a talent show at your school? Yeah, I have a talent show at mine. My mom may record it and Skype it to me, so I could download it to my files and show it to you one time.
You're lucky. I would like to have a talent show.
Yeah. Like for the talent show last year, I did Flowey on the piano.
Did anyone understand what you're trying to do?
Yep. My crush Zachary, he was like, "Whoa, you played Flowey on the piano? That's so sweet." And that's why I like my crush. He likes Undertale. I don't know. I'm he's just my crush, okay? Don't ask. Okay. Not done yet, but oh gosh. Okay, I made a mistake.
I am done. I want to see what you're
Oh gosh.
like. I'm all done.
I'm not even done yet.
Aw, you're drawing so good. You're probably gonna win. I'm not even as close as you are.
Yeah, I take my time. We probably am gonna have a part 2 because I can record up to 15 minutes.
Well, yeah, you want to look at mine?
Yeah, I know what it looks like.
Oh, you already saw it?
Yeah.
This is what it looks like right now.
Oh gosh, I did a bad mistake with the smile.
You're probably gonna win.
Yeah.
I'm not very good at drawing anyways. So.
Yeah, I'm like really good at drawing.
I even tried to.
I'm really good at drawing, and I'm going to try and have Kara a flower shirt, like you and like Frisk and Kara as babies. So, oh gosh, I'm drawing bad flowers. Bad flower. Bad. Bad Flowey. I'm gonna have Kara saying, "I love golden flowers. They so pretty." Oh shoot, I messed up. Okay. One. Poop. Poop. I, I can't draw.
And then I put sad faces.
I feel like I'm gonna win.
You are going to win, no joke.
She's a bad drawer, just saying. Not to offend you or anything. You're just a bad drawer.
I know.
Yeah. Wait. No, I have an idea. What if I just do Kara as a baby and have Frisk taking care of her?
One thing I know is that you'll do better than me.
Yep. Okay. 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 Okay.
Just draw something extra. Just
Can
because why not?
it's easier to color than draw because yeah.
Well, yeah. Color, draw, whatever. They're both the same.
I love golden flowers. There's no point of making a face on the flower because I have no room left. Oh wait, I have room left. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna win because I am. I even did a floor. Wow. Okay. We're gonna have to do a part 2 for this because I have no space left. Okay. Stay tuned, guys, and bye!